know how your nose tickle just a little bit?
Babe, I swear that's it, baby. That's it. That's enough.
What?
I don't want you to wipe my.
Roll up a blunt, already go to Pluto. Ran up a bag, I was tying noodles. Only got one life, don't get a do-over. Stay in your lane, no nigga, better scoot over. Met her today, she already wanna come over. I'm not the one that you bout to run over. Knocking out my problems, I'm feeling like Kimbo. Breaking down nuts, they be looking like ditto. You can't get comfortable, you cannot settle. The goal is getting your butt out the ghetto. Keep me some hitters, got several. Stop making deals with the devil. Don't get nobody your info. Don't worry about none that you can't control. Trap doing numbers, they out of control. I cherish my spotlight, I got a mold. I can see the top through my window. I'ma swear the block in the Reno. Investing in stuff.
Hey friends and fam, it's your girl Des, and I am back with another video. And by that title, you already know what I'm up to. Every time I turn on that cam, y'all know it's gonna be an epic banger. Make sure y'all tune into this whole entire video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on your post notifications. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the sneezing all over Jay prank. I think I want to act like I got the sniffles. You know, it is kind of chilly, and I was complaining of, you know, a little mucus or whatever. You know, your boy don't like that type of stuff. So I'm going to be sneezing all up in his face, y'all. I want to get his reaction, but I'm really not going to be sneezing. I'm going to hurry up and spray that in his face. But as y'all can see, I had to find a little bottle. I replaced it and I cleaned it really good and put some water in it and a little bit of pop to make it a little bit sticky. I wish I had something else, but we're gonna go with what we got. Make sure y'all tune into this whole entire video because y'all want to get y'all boys' reaction. Hashtag Team Des. Appreciate all the comments, all the love, all the support, and all the new subbies. What's up, y'all? Hey, welcome to the fam. Make sure y'all tune in every single video. Make sure y'all turn on those notifications so y'all are notified every single time there's a new banger dropped on this channel, y'all. Let me get started. We about to get ready to go grab something to eat. I am about to hide this in my sleeve probably. Y'all stay tuned because y'all want to see what's gonna happen next. The girl got, I'm gonna say 7 more days to go, and I cannot wait.
What's up, baby?
Hey. Dang, you just ate all of them?
I'm starving.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very.
I'm not. I seem to be a little bit under the weather a little bit.
So you ain't getting nothing to eat?
No, I had ate some cereal. I mean, if anything, I probably want some soup because I don't feel too good.
Go see them.
Oh.
Gotta protect the baby.
What about me?
You too.
Stop me playing.
You a part of the baby.
He scratched you, dog? Man, he just tearing your ass up. Dang.
I know, right? And what I'm about to eat?
That's what I'm gonna do.
I want some Golden Corral or some Cracker Barrel, like a chicken dinner.
Yeah. For real?
My dad was talking about it. That's where he about to order. I was watching the game with him.
Yeah.
He kept putting it in my head, man. This chicken look good.
Had your mouth watering too.
I'm talking about like watering crazy.
And now look at you. Who they play?
They played Atlanta Falcons. I don't even remember the last time Atlanta beat the Browns. That's why I stopped watching the games, because I'll be acting like I'm playing for them.
Be mad with them.
Yeah.
What was the score?
20-23. We lost by 3. A field goal.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That sucks. That sucks. I wonder if we got any medicine at home. I don't know if I can take anything.
You getting sick?
Yeah, my nose has been running since this morning.
Girl,
some tissue.
You gonna have to get you some medicine. You can't get the whole house sick.
I know. This is not a good time to be sick. I'm about to get ready to go into the hospital in a week.
Right when you said that, you just made my eyes water.
Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me.
You already know how I be having my spider senses. My spider senses be going off if I'm around a sick person.
I'm just congested. I'm congested and my nose, you know how your nose tickle just a little bit? That's what my nose is doing.
That's what you making mine do. I ain't the sun.
Is it the sun or me?
It's probably you, Desi. You know what?
You being over dramatic now. Dang, the sun is bright. You can see the road?
Barely. I'm trying though.
There's some tissue in the back. We both need some. You need some for your eyes and I need some for my nose.
Like facts. You gonna?
No. You gotta look back there. You know I can't turn my whole body around as soon as we make this stop. Oh. Dang, it's pretty busy on this Sunday. What time is it? Everybody out trying to get their dinner stuff on. That's probably what they usually do.
Browns game just ended so like 5 something.
Oh, okay. Look at that dog. Juicy little girl. Oh, never mind.
Well, nice looking dog.
Some tissue.
I don't think we got none in here.
See if there's a shirt back there or something as soon as you can.
I got you.
My nose is running. That feels disgusting.
I got you something. Look like one of your shirts.
That's shorts. Dang, I hope I ain't got no cough.
I hope not either. It's too close to pregnancy time for that.
Oh. I can't do this. I gotta stop this now. I need some vitamin C. I need some vitamin C.
You need some orange juice
Yes.
or some Sunny Delight.
Yes.
Yeah, I want some Chinese food, man. Some Panda Express.
You don't even like Chinese food.
I like Panda Express though.
Oh. Ew. I sound like you when you be saying that to me.
Ew.
He needs.
God damn, babe, cover your nose.
My nose.
Damn, babe.
Sorry, I didn't mean to get that on. Did I sneeze all over you?
You seized all over my whole side of my face is wet. That's nasty.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I told you I needed some tissue or
Hey,
something.
you about to make me sick. I'm about to get sick right away. Damn, babe. Grab your shirt.
Oh. It's like draining out.
You got snot on. You gotta desanitize now.
My bad. I'm sorry, Pooh. You mad at me?
No, I ain't mad, but nothing, baby.
What? You gotta take care of me when we get home. I don't know what else to tell you.
I got you.
Like, I could not believe my nose was really running. Like, who was we just around? Was we around anybody?
No.
Like, my nose is really running. Like, and I don't want to get you or Jada sick.
You did have that AC on for a little bit.
Oh my goodness, we did. That was your fault. You told me to turn it on last night.
It was hot.
You want to sleep underneath the covers and stuff. Nobody told you to put your head underneath the covers and then you get hot and want to make me cold. Next time I ain't turning it on. Look at that pink house. Shoot! Shoot!
Ah! Damn, babe, what did you... Babe, can you stop? Why you...
I'm sorry.
Like, come on, man. I'm about to already feel under the weather. Just...
Oh. I told you I was...
Hey, where your manners at? Can you cover your nose? Why you not covering your nose?
I tried.
That's nasty, babe. Do I ever sneeze on you?
It just came out of nowhere.
Have you ever felt one of my sneezes?
No. Yeah.
Come on, man. That's a lot, too.
But you know, can't nobody control their sneezes or nothing.
Damn, babe. I'm about to get sick now. How am I supposed to take care of you if I'm sick? That don't make no sense.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
I ain't trying to get sick. Come on, man.
I'm sorry.
I don't want you to wipe my face with that. You wiping your nose with that.
Don't you want it off your face?
Babe, you got boogers and stuff on that. Like, you got green boogers and slime on that. Like, what are you doing? No, don't wipe my face with that. I
can't control that. Ow! I can't control
that booger on you? That's why I threw it on you. You don't like it on you, don't put it on me.
Okay. It's not that deep.
Damn. I gotta get out the car with you. You making me itch.
Oh, I'm making you itch now?
I lightweight feel bad because you don't feel good, but you need to learn how to cover your mouth. You ain't hear that?
I can't help it.
They teach you how to do. What you mean you can't help it?
You know sneezes come out of nowhere, so I don't know why you're trying to act like it don't.
Well, you need to put your COVID mask back on then. Do something.
Well, we need to stop and get me one.
They don't even sell them no more. I ain't seen one of them things in a long time.
Oh my goodness. Stop at this store right here. We can stop over here.
Damn. What store? You sneezed on me twice on accident. Like, come on, man.
I'm sorry.
You're making me frustrated.
Okay. My bad. My bad, boo.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Damn.
Excuse me. Here, I need my thing back.
Stop!
What? Why are you yelling like that? What happened?
Bet you keep sneezing on me. Over and over and over and over and over again. Stop it. Damn.
Oh my goodness, I can't help it.
I'm gonna go back to the house. You getting out.
Okay.
You getting out. I love you too, baby, but you need some rest. Obviously, you need some rest. Damn, man. You got the hex on me.
No, I don't. I've been told you to pull over. If there's napkins in the trunk, can you pull over and get them for me?
Damn.
Turn on this street right here.
For what?
Because I'm about to sneeze again.
I swear on Mother Nature, man.
Oh.
Babe, I swear that's it, baby. That's it. That's enough.
What?
Can you stop it? Can you stop it? Can you hold your nose till we get to the house? Please, can you stop it? You about to make me sick, babe. It's stuff everywhere.
I'm sorry.
Like, for real, stop,
man. So I can clean it up and
Damn, you get snot all over the place. That's nasty. Like, I feel like a big booger.
Hand me the napkins. I'm sorry.
Damn. If I grab them, I'm scared to get out. Damn, bro.
What you scared to get out for?
Because... You took the napkins out the back?
Yeah, because I wasn't really sneezing.
Got him! Got him!
That was water mixed with a little bit of pop to make it sticky.
Man.
Was you about to have a heart attack? Why? What?
Why are you playing with me?
Y'all already know what's up. Y'all already know your girl drops some bangers every single time this camera turn on. Period.
Why are you playing with me, man?
It was just a little bit of spray. Achoo.
Why are you playing, bro? Like, you need to stop, Desi. You need to stop.
Achoo.
You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop, man.
Achoo.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. Share this video up, gang.
Yeah,
you feel me?
Hashtag
you got me on that
Des,
one. I admit it. You got me. You got me. Now I'm about to come hard for you.
You was about to go off on me. I was waiting for it.
I got something planned for you.
All right, y'all leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, get us to that 5K, y'all.
Yeti.
We'll see y'all in our next video.
Peace.
Peace.